Creating a calculator in LeadDoubler is super simple. It can be published as a landing page, generating leads for you without you doing anything. So let's start. We want to create a calculator like this. One where the user can input how much money they need and how many years they want to repay it and what the interest rate is. The idea of a calculator like this is to generate leads interested in a mortgage. These can be contacted, and as a mortgage broker or a bank, you can help them get the right loan and make some money doing it. So let's get started. First, we go to our LeadDoubler dashboard and click on Create a Landing Page. We name it and we press Save. Now we can choose any of the pre-made templates. We're going to click this one. Any of the text fields can be edited. ABC loan calculator. Text is immediately updated. This can be done with all the pieces of text. You can also insert new rows into this bootstrap based template. So here we have inserted the 3 pieces of text which will be there. This can also be edited. You can insert images, etc. Inserting a form in this pre-made area can be done by clicking the blue button here. Click on Choose the File. We've pre-made a spreadsheet which will generate the form for us. I'll go through the format later. Click Save, count to 3, and the form is already there. The spreadsheet behind it is based on this very simple format. Simply define the labels in column A, the input fields in column B, and you split the inputs from the outputs using the word calculate. Everything below calculate is the output. You can have as many output fields as you want and as many input fields as you want. So you can make these calculators very complicated. And it only takes as much time as it takes to put together the spreadsheet. Now let's go back to our calculator. This is now finished. It contains a page where the user inputs something and a contact form page. Contact form page is where we ask the user for their information. Now we just want to ask for their name and their phone number. And the label on the submit button, we want to say go instead of send. Now let's assume we're finished. We're going to preview it in the preview mode. We have a look and say okay, looks fine, but let's look at it on its own URL. It's got a URL like this, but no one can remember that. So let's give it another URL. Mortgage example. You can call it use the my free calculator.com domain, which is set up to point to the LeadDoubler server. You can set up any of your domains to point to our server and use that instead. But let's give it a try. So the calculator is running. It took us what, 1-2 minutes to do it, to create it. Let's see if it works. The user inputs the amount of money they need, the years they have for repaying it, and the interest rate. You press send. They type in their information. This will be sent to you as the owner of the form afterwards. The calculator gives the user the amount they wanted, and this was what they came for. As the user of the form, you, on the other hand, got some valuable information as well, because their contact information is sent to you. You can view all the information about these users, what they typed in, etc. You have their phone number and email, and their name and their phone number as they put it in. You can call them directly and follow up on them. So this is how simple it gets. No development, no talking with the designers. Just go in there, create your spreadsheet, upload it, and you're running.